Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to enable the ruler in PowerPoint. This is actually quite simple. First I open PowerPoint and for testing I have opened a template for Microsoft. Now I switch from the Home tab to the View tab and in the group Show I find the item Ruler. Here I have to check mark the box. As you can see up here we have a horizontal ruler and normally you are done now. But in some cases it can happen that the vertical ruler is not shown, like in this example. So I will quickly show you how to activate or deactivate it. To do this we go to the File tab and click on Options. Here we select the Advanced tab and scroll down to the section Display. Here we check Show Vertical Ruler and click on OK. As you can see, nothing changed yet. For this option to work we have to disable the ruler and enable it again. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.